Hey guys, what's up? Let's add some gradients to text. We're going to be using this gradient tool here. So we'll go new, I'll make a new canvas. I've been using A3 apparently. I'll just flip that around. Right, so we need some text to start with. Let's write gradient, I guess. And my text is white. Change that black. Right, now there's different ways that you can do this. We'll drag that down. You could either you can select every letter, so we'll go there. You can change the colour by selecting each letter, go into this box, and you can pick your own colour for it. So we could do that, or we could go through every individual letter if we wanted to. So let's say we're going with a rainbow. We just select the last colour and drag that down a bit, and we'd work our way through that. But there's a better way to do it, and that's with a gradient tool. So that's going to take ages, it's not going to blend into each other. The gradient tool will be a blend. So we'll make that all black again. There we go. Okay, so we're going to blend a gradient across all of them. So we'll go to the gradient, we'll click this, there's a rainbow one. You can change these colours as well. If you double click these little squares, you can change the colour there to whatever you want it to be. We're fine with the rainbow, I think. So what we need is a new layer. I'm going to draw out this gradient. So you just click and drag. You can go up and down in different directions, or if you hold shift, it'll keep it in a perfect line like this. There's our gradient. So now what we need to do is select this text. So we'll go with the magic wand, select the inverse, make sure contiguous is turned off, so you select like inside the letters. We'll hide that so you can see that everything except the text is selected. We'll go to this layer, press delete, and there's the gradient inside the text, or text of gradient. And we can mess with that if we want as well. So we'll hide the layer a little bit, and it'll bring the colour from underneath. Let's mess with the hue and saturation. Oh, that looks cool. That's pretty cool. What about the saturation? I'm just experimenting now. I like that. That's a cool effect. Okay, anyway, you can go to the layer effects here and stroke and bump up the size of that, and that'll create an outline if you want to do that as well. But you can add different gradients as well, so you can even, we'll go with a basic one, make a new layer, select that, we'll go colour to colour, we'll change black, double click that, we'll go with a blue, we'll leave white, and we'll do it from diagonals this time. So whichever one you do, the process is all the same. So we'll go back to the font, we'll select the inverse, make sure contiguous is off, go back to that layer, press delete, and there you go. That's basically how you do it. You can hide the background and make it transparent as well, so everything with this checkered pattern, that's transparent. Save that as a PNG, and yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button. I'll try to keep these quick and concise because they're not very difficult to do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.